Also new at 10, Springboro School Board President Kelly Coles will not run for re-election. Coles made that announcement today. She took over nearly 4 years ago as board president and has been a controversial figure ever since. She says it's the right time to move on.
I will still attend the meetings. I will still give my input. But I believe that someone else can take the position and continue on with the direction. I need to free up my time to make more education influence happen at the state level and perhaps at the national level.
8 candidates are on the November ballot to fill 3 open school board positions.